Here are 7 drinks that may help lower your blood sugar levels. Water. Drinking plain water can help you stay hydrated and avoid sugar-sweetened beverages that can spike your blood sugar. Coffee. Both caffeinated and decaffeinated coffee can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and protecting the cells of the liver and pancreas. Black tea. Black tea, as well as oolong and green tea, can improve blood sugar management by reducing insulin resistance and oxidative stress. Tea also contains compounds that may support the health of your cardiovascular system. Hibiscus tea. This tart and colorful tea can lower blood pressure and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can cause plaque buildup in the arteries. Hibiscus tea can also reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Chamomile tea. This soothing and relaxing tea can cleanse arterial walls and lower blood pressure. Chamomile tea can also decrease LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, which are harmful to the heart. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea can also lower blood pressure, control bad cholesterol levels, and keep arteries clean and functioning optimally. Ginger tea. This spicy and warming tea can promote smooth blood flow, reduce arterial inflammation, lower LDL cholesterol levels, and maintain healthy blood pressure. Ginger tea can also prevent blood clots and improve blood circulation.